Ahoy Explorers, I'm Nia and this is entry number 15. Today we're exploring Brinley Gold Shipwreck Vanilla Rum. I was shopping at a local liquor store and I was actually inspired to buy this bottle from the River Pirate 13. So check out his channel, I'll include a link below. He actually reviewed the spiced rum and I was kind of looking around for that one, but when I saw vanilla, as we all know, I love vanilla, I had to scoop this up. So this company is based out of St. Kitts. It is distilled. They've been in business since 1986, so that's quite a while. Their mission is to make the best and smoothest flavored rums. This is one of many varieties that they have. This one is a vanilla. They also have a mango. They have a coffee and a spiced rum. And it's exciting. They don't talk too much about the aging process of their rums, but this one in particular, they add Madagascar vanilla. So let's give it a try. Waiting for that sweet sound. Ooh, that was a loud one. Wow, you can already smell the vanilla notes. So I'm already a fan, but definitely looking for rums that are treasure chest worthy now. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this. On the website, they talk about this rum being able to be a sipping rum and a mixer rum, but we'll see. So, at the beginning, you do get a lot of the alcohol taste. So as far as the note Type Detector, I definitely detect the alcohol. This is a 70 proof rum. I also obviously detect the vanilla, some fruity notes. It is a molasses based rum, so I do detect the molasses in there. Since 1986, they've been making these flavored rums. Bob Brinley is the main founder and now his son took over the business. And this one in particular has Madagascar vanilla and molasses, but to be honest with you, comparing to another one of my favorite vanilla rums, I have to say this one smells different. Like the vanilla is not, maybe it's the type of vanilla they're using in this one, which is Madagascar, but compared to any other rums that I have tried that have Madagascar vanilla, it doesn't really smell like this. So that's, I don't know, I'm a little bit worried. As far as the color, you can see it's a very, very dark rum, which I'm surprised they don't add anything else to it because it is very dark. The only other rum that I know that's this dark is Black Coral Rum, and they do add licorice coloring and flavoring, so we'll see. Cheers! Holy crap! Okay, wow, that is delicious. If you like vanilla, you're gonna love this rum. I am in love. This is so good. I was very worried because of the smell. So the only way I can compare, if you are into cooking or baking, I'm very picky about my vanillas. And when it comes to regular vanilla, when you go to the grocery store, all you can get is these chemically smelling vanillas, which when you cook it, it evaporates and it kind of has that alcohol nose to it. And to me, like alcohol slash chemically, but this is so good. It's very sweet though, so if you're not into very sweet flavored rums, this is not for you. But if you love vanilla and you don't mind the sweetness of it, this is delicious. I wouldn't call it a sipping rum, but let's go ahead and add some ice and see. I am gonna bring out the vanilla just for comparison's sake. And vanilla on the Rum Aroma training kit is number 24. I do want to bring out the molasses, which I have smelled before, but obviously training the nose, continuously updating my nose on this. Want to try this out. I don't know if I detect some coffee notes in it, maybe that's the coloring that it's coming from. They do say that a lot of their rums do have coffee and mangoes in it, so that's where maybe I'm detecting the fruity notes to it. So maybe I can bring out some tropical flavors and see. So on the kit, coffee is number 9. Molasses is number 13. And the tropical flavors is gonna be number 23. So I'm very impressed. It's a very sweet, but if you like vanilla, this is delicious. I wouldn't call it a sipping rum, but immediately when I thought and I tasted this, I was like, oh my gosh, this would be amazing with like a Dr. Pepper. On their website, they have an orange creamsicle drink that I want to try. I'll put the recipe below in case you want to try it out with your favorite vanilla rum, or with this one if you got this one. Good job. We did a really good job picking this one. And thank you to the River Pirate 13, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even know about this rum. But it's very sweet. It is very delicious. I'm very impressed with the vanilla. I did not expect it to be that strong and natural tasting. Very, very natural tasting. I don't know. I'm gonna be torn. This might be treasure chest worthy. I definitely want to keep one Spanish type of rum. So right now I have Zacapa in my treasure chest. I also have an overproof rum right now, which I currently have the Florida Rum Society's and Ed Hamilton collab rum. And then lastly, I have a true Caribbean rum, which is going to be the Cockspur. And I might add this one. As far as flavorings right now, I have the Siesta Key Toasted Coconut Rum, but I don't know. I really love the vanilla. I'm so torn right now. So now that I've let the aromas rest a little bit, I'm gonna head and try this out. So I'm gonna start with vanilla, which obviously we already know. I taste it, I smell it, it's white there. Yeah, it's like vanilla. But the next one is the coffee, and this is gonna be interesting because like I said, this looks like a very dark rum. So I'm interested to see if maybe they put a little bit of coffee in there. That coffee smells so good. Actually, I do detect a little bit of coffee in there. And this is not a spice rum. They do have a spice rum in their collection, but I don't detect any spiciness to it. But definitely some coffee. Let's see the molasses. Yeah, that's where the sweetness and skunkiness is coming from on the nose. And then lastly, the tropical fruits. This one's gonna be a kicker because they do say that some of their rums have mango, so it'll be interesting to see if they have the mango in this one. I think there is. I gotta be honest. I'm kind of detecting some fruitiness too there. From tropical fruits, mango is a tropical fruit, so. And they say that all their ingredients that are added to this rum are natural and you can taste it. It's very sweet, but so those are the notes. Originally I did detect the alcohol, the vanilla, the fruity notes, and the molasses, and that's what we compared and confirmed. The only thing that I wasn't sure about was the fruity, the tropical fruits, but based on what I'm smelling right now and this, there's definitely some fruity notes to it. Let's pour some ice in this and see how much different it is. I'm not a big neat steeping syrup kind of person, but I do enjoy stuff on the rocks a lot. So let's see. to see if also maybe like, I also want to see if maybe the coffee becomes more prominent with the ice. I'm still detecting that vanilla. It is very, very strong, but I absolutely love vanilla. So for me, this is right up my alley. This is a treasure chest approved rum for me. So cheers. That is so smooth. I can't even explain it. It is so good. The vanilla's there. It is a 70 proof rum. So in spite of the sweetness, you do get that like little lingering warmth, but nothing too bad. I could definitely smell the coffee notes a little bit more, so I'm gonna go back to the coffee. Yeah. With the ice, the coffee becomes more prominent, but vanilla is just bow in your face. Absolutely love that. Well, let me see, I'm gonna do the tropical fruits and see if that changes. Yeah, so with the ice, it does dilute it. The tropical fruits are in the back, like when you faintly smell it when it's neat, but when it's on ice, it's gone, it's not bad. And on the ice, I have to say, it is superb. It's just so interesting that on the nose, because it's a 70 proof, it actually smelled like borderline. I thought it was gonna be like a fake tasting vanilla, so I was bracing for impact. But once I tried it, it was actually quite good. I'm very impressed. I definitely want to try the rest of their flavored rums. Not necessarily the spice, although they do say that their mission is to make the best and smoothest flavored rums. So it'll be interested to, you know, try the rest of them out, especially the mango. I don't think I've ever seen a rum with mango or mango flavored in it. So I definitely want to try this, but I'm gonna make it official. It's going in the treasure chest, mates. It is. And I'm gonna retire Siesta Toasted Coconut. But this goes in the treasure chest. Congrats, Brinley Gold Shipwreck Vanilla. I am a big fan. And that is my review. If you have tried this, please leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you're a vanilla fan, run to the liquor store and grab this. It is quite accessible. I did find it in Total Wine here in Florida, but I'm sure you can find it in your local liquor store. But it wasn't bad. I think it was like $40, $30, something like that. I'll put the price up here, and definitely go grab it if you like vanilla and something sweet. Very unique. The coloring, like I said, even that was quite shocking. But if you do want any samples of this rum or any previous rum that I have tried out, please send me a message at my email or DM on Instagram at myrumdiaries. Follow me there on a daily basis. And also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can welcome you on board. Signing off here. Thank you for watching.